Hey guys, Doug here. Today we're checking out the 2025 Kia Carnival. This isn't your grandma's minivan. Kia calls it a multi-purpose vehicle, or MPV. But let's be real, it's a minivan, a really nice minivan. The Kia Carnival has been turning heads since its redesign. It ditched the typical minivan look for something bolder, something more SUV-like. But don't let the rugged exterior fool you. It's all about family-friendly functionality. The Carnival's design is definitely eye-catching. It's got a bold front grille, sleek lines, and a muscular stance. The available LED headlights and taillights look sharp. It doesn't scream minivan at all. The sliding doors are a telltale minivan feature, but they make getting in and out a breeze, especially in tight parking lots. The Carnival also offers roof rails for extra cargo capacity. The interior of the Carnival is where it truly shines, offering a blend of luxury and practicality. It's incredibly spacious, exceptionally comfortable, and packed with a plethora of features designed to enhance your driving experience. It offers seating for up to 8 passengers, making it perfect for large families or group outings. The seats are not only supportive but also designed to provide plenty of legroom and headroom in all 3 rows, ensuring comfort for everyone on board. The second row seats are versatile. They slide and recline to offer maximum comfort and flexibility. In the top trim levels, you can even get them with built-in footrests, adding an extra layer of luxury to your ride. The third row is designed to fold flat into the floor, creating a completely level cargo area that maximizes your storage options. There's an abundance of storage space throughout the cabin, with various compartments to keep your belongings organized and within easy reach. Section 4. Technology and features, keeping you connected and entertained. The 2025 Carnival is loaded with technology. It comes standard with a large touchscreen infotainment system. It's compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get a bunch of USB ports and available wireless charging. Higher trims offer a premium sound system, a panoramic sunroof, and tri-zone climate control. You can even get rear seat entertainment systems to keep the kids occupied on long drives. Section 5. Safety first, protecting what matters most. Safety is a top priority in the Carnival. It comes standard with a suite of advanced safety features. These include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a surround view camera are available. Kia's Safe Exit Assist helps prevent dooring accidents. Section 6. Performance and fuel economy, a balancing act. The 2025 Kia Carnival is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering a robust performance that ensures you have the power you need when you need it. It provides plenty of power for highway merging and passing, making it a reliable companion for both city driving and long-distance travel. The fuel economy is respectable for a vehicle of this size, balancing power and efficiency to give you the best of both worlds. You won't mistake it for a sports car, but the handling is composed and confident, allowing you to navigate winding roads with ease. The ride is smooth and comfortable, even on rough roads, thanks to its well-tuned suspension that absorbs bumps and potholes effortlessly. The Carnival is a great choice for long road trips, offering ample space for passengers and luggage, and ensuring a pleasant journey for everyone on board. Section 7. The verdict, a top contender in the minivan market. The 2025 Kia Carnival is a home run for families on the go. The 2025 Kia Carnival is a home run for families on the go. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or just running daily errands, this minivan has got you covered. It's stylish, practical, and packed with features. From its sleek exterior design to its spacious and comfortable interior, the Kia Carnival stands out in the crowd. It's more expensive than some competitors. However, the additional cost is justified by the premium features and advanced technology it offers. But it offers a lot of value for the money. The Carnival comes equipped with state-of-the-art safety features, entertainment options, and ample storage space, making it a great investment for any family. If you're in the market for a minivan, the Kia Carnival should be at the top of your list. Its versatility and reliability make it a top choice for families of all sizes. It really does it all. Whether you're driving through city streets, suburban neighborhoods, or even rough terrains, the Kia Carnival handles it with ease. What do you guys think of the Carnival? Have you had any experiences with it? Share your thoughts and stories with us. Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback is valuable and helps others make informed decisions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates on the latest vehicles in the market.